So, first phase Bengal election already been completed. Amid that, there have raised various issues. So many issues. These issues, that's not the first time. For several years, last 5 or 4 decades, this type of issue raised. But TMC government, it is completed her third term. First phase election have been completed, Second phase election is going to be elected in 29. Amid that, many issue have been raised up. Prime Minister Narendra Modi continuously coming to Bengal. Home Minister Amit Shah, he is now present in Bengal. Last several days, he is present in Bengal. Various state leader, various chief minister, Yogi Adityanath, Devendra Fadnavis, chief minister of Assam. So many chief ministers, many leaders, BJP leaders across the BJP state coming from Bengal. Because Bengal is the focus, Bengal is the pocket choke. So that is the Bengal for the BJP. In Lok Sabha, BJP have not single majority. Amid that, they try to encroach Bengal. Because if they encroach, already 22 states have been in hand of BJP. They try to Bengal. This is not the first time BJP tried to 2021. That time, BJP create a major victory from 3 to 77. But in this time, they try to regime. They try to Bengal seat to provide their chief minister. There have a raised various issue, RG code issue, the job scam issue. There are farmers issue. Here have the security reason of Mohila. This type of issues has been raised up by the BJP. So that is the various issue and continuously coming from various leaders across the many states in Bengal. They are doing propaganda against TMC government. Prime Minister said, Didi, oh Didi, people of Bengal, they try to faith with you, try to depend with you to decline left government, but finally they are not faith to you. In this context, BJP, they stated that we are going to ensure a major seat, we are going to ensure 200 plus seat. So this type of stated are being coming from various BJP leaders, including Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah also. So, there have a different connotation. That is, this is the first time in Bengal there have 92% voting turnout. And this is various leaders from TMC, leaders from BJP, they stated that 92% turnout, this type of election we never see in our life. So that's different connotation are being raised up. But reportedly coming allegation coming from different area, especially TMC leaders, they raise allegation that some leaders like Byron Biswas, he stated that I am now already gone fail because the central force and election commission, they take a very declined decision, that is 17 minutes they have off the camera in the voting room. Why? He also stated, in my house there have generator. After going to electricity, it would be start only 1 minute, but here have 17-minute camera off because of electricity, lack of electricity. Why after 17 minutes it was started the generator? It's raised allegation. So various allegation coming from there that election commission and as well as central force, they are working together to defeat Trinamool Congress. So Bengal election is now flow of the high fuel. It's a fray. It's going to allege one another. It's post-poll violence, pre-poll violence, and that's why uh, 2.5 lakh armed force have been deployed in West Bengal. That is three times of Manipur. So that's going on in Bengal election, like a war, like a Iran Israel war. So that's going on, you see. And the fear from SIR here have highest voter turnout. People anger coming from different state, but coming from different state, they stated in their reels, in their video, that we are coming, we voted for the BJP because we want to industry in Bengal. We never go outside for our working. So that's the different connotation. So Bengal voting feelings is the different from every state. Kejriwal, Tejaswi Jadhav, they also come to support with Mamata Banerjee and doing the rally and speaking against the BJP. So Bengal election perception is the different from any other state election or any union election. Here voting is not only voting. Here voting is a vote fair, vote utsav. And from 7 days, before 7 days of the voting, there have different type of visualization in Bengal. Many people, they stop doing their work for rally, for propaganda, various political party. It can be TMC, it can be CPM, it can be BJP. So everywhere you see there have rally, there have fray, there have Jomayat, different type of visualization coming from in Bengal. So Bengal election, not only the election, it's a election fair or election utsav. People predict it as a utsav, like different type of Bengali utsav. So 4th May, it is going to voted after second phase election of 29. Who would be the regime in Bengal? It would be the Mamata Banerjee in her fourth regime, or it would be the BJP government deployed his regime in the first time. You must write down on the comment box that what is your prediction. Thank you for watching.